Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery, with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools at hand: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a 10mm spanner, and a pair of pliers. It's essential to work in a well-lit area to avoid any mishaps during the process. Start by unplugging the Conga 3490 Elite from the power source. Safety first. Next, flip the device upside down to access the underside. You will notice several screws securing the base. Using your Phillips screwdriver, carefully remove these screws and place them in a small container to avoid losing them. Once the screws are removed, gently lift the base cover off. Take a moment to clean any dust or debris inside the unit, as this can affect performance. A clean environment is crucial for the longevity of your device. Now locate the wheel motor. It is typically situated near the wheels and is connected by a few wires. Before proceeding, take a photo of the wiring setup for reference. This will be helpful when you install the new motor. Using your flathead screwdriver, carefully detach the wires from the old motor. Be cautious not to damage any connectors. If you find this process challenging, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, ensuring you get the help you need without any pressure. Next, use your 10mm spanner to remove the bolts securing the motor in place. Once the bolts are removed, gently pull the motor out. Inspect the area for any signs of wear or damage that may need addressing before installing the new motor. Now, take your new wheel motor and align it with the mounting holes. Secure it in place using the bolts you previously removed. Ensure it is tightly fastened to avoid any movement during operation. Reconnect the wires to the new motor, referring to the photo you took earlier. Make sure each connection is secure to prevent any electrical issues. If you're unsure about the wiring, don't hesitate to reach out for assistance. We also provide collection and delivery at your home, making it easier for you to get your device serviced without the hassle of travel. Once the wiring is complete, replace the base cover and secure it with the screws you set aside earlier. Ensure everything is tightly fastened to maintain the integrity of the device. Finally, flip the Conga 3490 Elite back to its upright position and plug it in. Test the new motor by running a quick cleaning cycle. If everything operates smoothly, congratulations! You've successfully replaced the wheel motor. If you encounter any issues or if this seems too tricky, remember we offer a quote before repair, ensuring you know the costs up front. This way, you can make an informed decision without any surprises. Enjoy your freshly repaired Conga 3490 Elite. Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description.